Let's see how we are going to answer this question. We are given a picture. We want to see which one of the equations below matches the graph. We have four options here. We need to choose the correct one, which is the graph of this one. You know, cosine starts from 0, 1, but here is 3. If it starts from 0, 0, that will be sine. Okay, so here it starts from 3 and 0, 3. So basically, you know then amplitude will be 3, and it should be cosine. Okay, it cannot be sine again because sine starts from 0. Okay, so then probably either this one or this one. It cannot be sine. It has to be cosine, and in front of cosine it has to be 3, 3. So we know it should be 3 times cosine, not sine. Then here will be, it is 1/4 or just 4. That's the confusing part. We know we got period, which is 2 pi divided by question mark. Question mark is from the coefficient of x. What is the period here? Here is 16 pi. You see from 0, 3 going down, and then here is the lowest value, and then going up to this place. That will be one period, because if you go starts from the highest point right here and going down, going to the lowest one, going to the highest one, that's the second period. So that's why we say here period is 8 pi rather than 16 pi. So here is 8 pi. And then equals, by the formula, is always 2 pi divided by the coefficient. We do not use question mark in our operation. We always use a variable and no variable, and x. Now the problem will be solve this equation, because we know period is 8 pi divided, all the time is 2 pi divided by the coefficient or question mark. Okay, and then we know that below 8 pi is actually 1. Okay, so you solve this equation. Here are some hints if you want me to give you. That will be what? Both sides multiplied by x. Okay, so you cancel this x, and then you get will be what? Will be 2 pi times x. Okay, let me change the, is this one, and here change this color. Okay, will be 2 pi times x. Let me erase that. X is cancelled, so you then have a 2 pi on the left. On the right hand side, you then have 8 pi times x. This is not the pattern I wanted. I want the solid one. Okay, so here is 2 pi again, x. Here is 8 pi, and then you do divided by 8 pi. You have x stands alone on the left. So 2 pi divided by 8 pi is 1 over 4. That's for x. Okay. That's for x. And then you plug in, x was the question mark. And you plug in here, you should have 1/4 from here, rather than 4. So this one will be our correct choice. All right, I'll see you next time.